The blue sky above me, the green ground below. I run as if I could fly, arms spread, head up high, air flowing through my hair, grass tickling my toes. I used to be part of this world. Peaceful this world once was. A thing, I believe, my world has changed. Bit by bit, screens crept in. Faster and faster, my world was gone. Above, now my world. I scroll through time. I do not run. I do not see the sky. I do not see the ground. I scroll through life that are not mine. Always, yet alone. Always, yet out of reach. I am, but I am not. I miss the peaceful world this once was. I close my eyes. The world slows down. As I breathe, my chest rises and falls. In the quiet, I remember a heartbeat, a breath, the gravity of the earth beneath me, rounding me. Perhaps I'm still here. Between the noise behind the screens, if I look, if I feel, if I listen, perhaps I'm still here.